Have you ever wanted to learn watercolor from a professional artist? Join me, Lindsay Weirich, as I give you tips and tricks for creating amazing watercolor. Take advantage of learning the basics from creating swatches to more advanced techniques such as stenciling with watercolor, adding texture, versatile brushstrokes, and gorgeous florals. Enhance your coloring and crafting skills through 6 pre-recorded videos packed with easy-to-follow instructions and crafty tips and tricks. The crafty fun doesn't stop there. Enjoy a live crafting session with me as I reveal more tips and tricks with this kit. I'll show you how to paint stamped images with precision and guide you on how to make coordinating embellishments for your beautiful creations. Explore your passion, rediscover techniques, and don't miss out on specially curated kits. By the end of this course, you'll have a stack of beautiful handmade cards and a wealth of knowledge about watercolor techniques. So grab your brushes and let's get started. Click the link below to sign up for Watercolor Playdate with me, Lindsay Weirich.
Hello there, crafty friend, Lydia here. Just popping in to say that you can get your daily dose of crafting tips, techniques and tutorials just like this by subscribing to the Altenew YouTube channel. All you need to do is click on that little bell up there and you will never miss a video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.